is 2. So let's start with 2. So this is 0. So definitely 2 will enter 10. 2 here, 1, 2 into 10 is 5. Again, they say if the last number is even or 0. So this is even number. So 2 here, 1, 2 into 12 is 6. Again, we have 18. So 8 is an even number. So definitely 2 will divide 18. 2 here, 1, 2 here. 2 into 18 is 9. So 8 is even number. 3 can be divisible by any number if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. So let's say 15, we have 21, we have 27. So they say 3 can be divisible of any number if the sum of this digit is divisible by 3. So here we have 1 and 5. So 1 plus 5 equals to 6. So definitely 3 can be divisible by 6. So 3 will enter 6 2 times. So 3 will go into 15 5 times. Again, 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So 3 divided by 3 equals to 1. So the 3 will enter 21 7 times. So the last one is 27. So 2 plus 7 equals to 9. 3 into 9 is 3. So 3 into 9 is 3. Definitely 3 will enter 27 9 times. So 132. Again we have 220. We have 124. So they said 4 can be divisible by any number if the last two digit number, this last two digit number can be divisible by 4. This last two digit number can be divisible by 4. So here is 32. We have 20 here. We have 24. So 4 into this 32 is 8. Again, 4 will enter 25 times. Again, 4 again will enter this 24 6 times. So definitely 4 into 132 equals to 33. Again, 4 into 220 equals to 55. 4 will enter 124 31 times. 5. So 5 can be divisible by any whole number if the last digit is 5 or 0. If the last digit is 5, let's use 5, 15, we have 20, 25 and 30. This is very simple. They say 5 can be divisible by any number here if the last digit is 5 or 0. So 5 into 5 is 1. Again, here we have 5 at the last digit. So 5 into 15 is 3. Again, we have 20. Here is 0. So since the last digit is 0, definitely 5 will go into 24 times. Here we have 5 as the last digit. So 5 into 25 is 5. Here we have 0 as the last digit. So 5 into 30 is 6. 6 can be divisible by any number if its last digit is even number and the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. So let's use let's say 2328. Again we have, let's say we have 28,165. 4. Let's say we have 12. Yes, so as they said, 6 can be divisible if the last digit is even and the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. If the last digit is even, this is the last digit, so 8 is an even number, and here is 4, so 4 is an even number. Here we have 2 is an even number. They say if the sum of the digits, if the sum of this digit can be divisible by 3, if the sum of this digit can be divisible by 3, here we have 2, we have 3, we have 2 again, we have 5. So 2 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. So 15 can be divisible by 3. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 5. Again, we have 2, 8, 1, 6, 4. So 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. So again, 21 can be divisible by 3. 3 here, 1, 3 into 21 is 7. Again, here we have 1, here we have 2. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So 3 divided by 3 equals to 1. Definitely. So we can see now 3 will divide the sum of the digits. So therefore, 6 into 2328 equals to 388. Again, 6 into 28,164. The answer equals to 4,694. Again, 6 into 12 definitely is 2. 1,384. We have 8,552. 1,248 equals to. So they said if the last 3 digits, these are the last 3 digits, these are the last 3 digits, these are the last 3 digits, form a number divisible by 8. So 384 can be divided by 8. Again, 552 can be divided by 8. 248 can be divided by 8. So if you say 8 into 384 equals to 48. Again, 8 into 552 is 69. Again, 8 into 248 is 31. So definitely, since the last 3 digits can be divisible by 8, so 8 into 1384, the answer is 173. 8 into 8,552, the answer is 1069. Again, 8 into 1248, the answer is 156. A number can be divisible by 9 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. So let's write 1066. Again, we have 48,681. So they said if the sum of these 5 digits can be divisible by 9, here we have 51066. So 5 plus 1 plus 0 plus 6 plus 6, which is equals to 5 plus 1 plus 0 plus 6 plus 6 equals to 18. So 18 can be divisible by 9. 19 here 1, 19 into 18 is 9 into 18 is 2. 9 into 18 is 2. So again here we have 4, we have 8, we have 6, we have 8, again we have 1. So 4 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 1 is equals to 4 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 1 equals to 27. So 27 can be divided by 9. 9 here 1, 9 into 27 equals to 30. So definitely 9 will go into 51,066. Definitely we have 51,066. So 51,066 divided by 9. 9 here 1, 9 into this is equals to 5,674. That is our final answer. Again divided by 9. 9 here 1, 9 here is 5,409. Any whole number can be divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. Let's say we have 10, we have 20, we have 40, we have 500. So any number can be divisible by this 10 if the last digit is 0. This is 0, the last digit is 0. Again, the last digit is 0, the last digit is 0. So definitely 10 into 10 is 1. 10 into 20 equals to 2. 10 into 40 is 4. 10 into 500 equals to 50.